Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and redeem Google Play gift card. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. So for the matter, the very first step would be simply for you to access your particular Play Store app on your mobile phone. Now simply go back and tap on this profile icon on top right corner of the section. Now tap on this option of payments and subscription, which will be the below notifications and offers. So here in this section you will be able to access this four options right over there. All you have to do is tap on this option of redeem code. So now you can see we do have two options though. Which one is simply a scan gift card. Once you tap on this scan gift card, it will show you this kind of scanner. You can simply scan the code only and then you will be able to redeem it. Otherwise, you can go back and simply choose to enter your code on top over there, and once you're done, you will be able to tap on this redeem option right over there if it's correct, and you're good to go. You will be able to redeem your gift cards on your Play Store. So that is a simple way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.